here and I'm back. Yes, you already know, it don't stop on this channel. So today, I got 2 book bags, 1 laptop bag and 1 gadget bag. So we're gonna take them out, unbox them, see what can fit in here, see how much space this thing can do, and just go through it. This looked pretty interesting. I had to pick it up and check them out for you guys. So let's get it started. All right, guys, throw the things up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. It don't stop. Listen, you already know. If you got goals, let's get it done. It don't stop. Your goals don't stop. You don't stop. Keep pushing. Let's get it started. Hey. So the Osprey bag, let's get it started. So you got a front pocket, not that deep in here. Seems like you can just fit just small things in here. I'm gonna sit my phone in there and you see how it sits up, so it's not really that deep. In here, it would be cool if we can go all the way down in here, but it's not really deep. So that's the first pocket, not bad. Then you opening up the main pockets. Here's where you get the deep into the bag right here, and then you do have some pouches right here. So you have a mid-sized pouch right here. You can have a little smaller pouch, and then right here you have a flap, and then you have a first flap, and then you have a flap where you put your laptop in. So we're gonna do that. This is my laptop with a case on it. Sits right in. Then next, you can put some files and folders, chargers, and some electronics, possibly an iPad in here too. Camera, gimbal, you know. It can be besides a laptop bag, but it can just fit your laptop. And right here, it actually has some comfort. So if your laptop begins to smack up against it, you do have some protection right here. So that's pretty good. So actually on the handle right here, you actually have a pouch right here where you can stash your weed. I mean, you can actually stash, you know, just anything you would need to, probably an extra charger, money or something. But just an extra pocket if need be, so that's pretty cool. And then there's actually a red clip right here, which is another clip. So I'm sure this actually to help hold something down, or, you know, just help do things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the whole bag, and on to the next one. Oh, before I forget, let's read this description right here about the bag, right? Guess we need to know that, right? So it says, suitable build, constructed with recycled polyester fabric that is refined to the touch yet durable for everyday wear. Laptop sleeve, padded laptop sleeve accommodates up to 15-inch laptops. All day carry, mesh covered, rigid foam back panel and hard disk provides all day carrying comfort and theft protection. Easily secure the pack to a chair or table leg by using the self-locking aluminum security lock located on the harness strap. Oh, okay, so that's pretty cool. It actually has, yeah, right here, the theft protection right here. Okay, to help clip it onto things. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I guess it helps, but I'm not sure how protected this is, but it helps. Anything that would help, right? So, what do you guys think about this? Osprey. let's just start this off immediately with the description. Sustainable build, padded sleeve, up to 15-inch laptop, but this says 16, so that's pretty cool. Okay, you know, that's cool. Hey, the more the better. All day carry and the theft protection. All right. The first thing that I noticed with this backpack is, yep, you have the theft protection, but also the fact that it's a flap. So you just unhook that. Let's see. Now you get the deep pouch that I was asking for, so that's nice. Once you got a zipper, some side action, you know what I'm saying? You got a header from the side. I throw some stuff in the side right here. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool. Nice and deep to put my whole hand in here. That's really good. I like that. Fit all sorts of stuff in here. And then, oh, this rolls all the way up. Okay, okay. Oh, that's nice. Whoa, look how tall this is. This is a long bag now. So I had to roll it up. So this was rolled up. Alright, just as the previous bag. Let me shine some light in here. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna do y'all a favor about us rolling it out. So, you know, just for purposes you can see. So, just like the previous bag, you have the padded part for the laptop. You can put the laptop in here. And same as before, you got the zipper parts. And then same as before, you have a medium sleeve you can put things into. And then you have a little smaller. So right here you have a medium sleeve you can add things into. And then you have a little smaller pouch you can add stuff into. Then in front, of course, you have the extra space. So again, you can put the laptop in here, your files or whatever in here, electronics. Then you can add social things. You can add more things in there. Also, you got the flap right here, and you got the side pocket for that extra space. Nice and lightweight. It feels nice. It looks nice. I got it in like green, so for all you military people out there, here's what it's looking like. And then when you're done, you can actually just fold it up. Really nice. Easy it looks like. Then, so once I fold it up, you get the little clip part right here. You just slide it in, just like that. Then on the back, just like the previous bag, you got the clip on, the theft protection to help. So that's pretty much the bag. Okay, Osprey, however you say it. Nice bag. I like this one more than the other one because, you know, I like the flap around it. Plenty of space. This one's okay too, but come on, if you need something more for your buck, I mean, come on, this is more the obvious choice. But if you just want a standard backpack, I get it. But if you're ready to, you know, level up and step up and really start carrying some stuff, I'll go with this. But both not a bad choice. Both does its job. If you're looking for a laptop bag or looking for a bag or a file bag, hey, these both are nice. So what do you guys think? All right, guys, so what do you guys think about the bag? I think the bag is really nice. Yeah, I like this one. This one's really nice. Oh, look, also you got the weed pouch in here. There you go, there you go. You got a little stash right here. Be like, yeah, I got it. What you looking for? You know what I'm saying? Got it right here. Got it right here for you. Nah, but this feels nice. I like. Oh, it do feel good. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Okay, this jump feels nice. Hold up. Hey, this feels nice. I don't want to take this off. Hold up. Nice and comfortable. Feel like it's hugging me, so that's a cool thing. And then you got the little dork straps, you know, the loser straps. Tighten it down on you, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, however you want to do it, you know, if you want to go crazy, you know, if you try and pull out the, nah, I'm playing. But, all right, y'all, what do you guys think about it? I like this one. This was a nice one. All right, y'all. Throw them things up for your boy. I'm out. This Devin up. Peace. Hope you guys have a good time watching this video. Hope you guys made a decision on buying this or not. But I'm out. Peace. Thanks for watching. Hey.